Promotion for Corrugator Spares Consumables. Printing cushion. Improve printing speed quality, avoid corrugated board damage. Double-sided tape for Auto Splicer. Because of the high temperature of the corrugated board production line and the tension adjustment of the stitching machine, the tape must be high temperature and tear resistant. For each quality inspection before shipment, we have an tensile strength tester. Fibertape. Strong stickiness, good retention and strong tensile strength. Excellent self-viscosity, insulation and thermal conductivity, high temperature resistance. Pre-strip with firm, good flexibility, high transparency, good parallelism, excellent high and low temperature resistance. Hanging frame. One strip can put 2 plates, so 28 strips can handle 112 plates. Thanks for your time.